District Attorney Frank Sedita says if the court overturns Jeffrey Basil's murder conviction, there would be a brand new trial with a brand new jury, all to decide if Basil intentionally meant to kill Bill Sager inside Molly's pub last May.
You never want to have to make the family go through that again. I mean, it's a traumatic experience to relive the violent death of a loved one, particularly at that age and under those circumstances.
But it could happen. Flanked by his attorneys, Jeffrey Basil sat stoically in state Supreme Court as lawyers worked to convince Justice Penny Wolfgang to overturn a jury's conviction of second-degree murder because of juror misconduct.
Our position is that juror number 12, a seated juror, did not truthfully answer one of the questions that was asked of her.
The question, Paul Cambria says, was if the juror was ever accused of a crime.
The answer was no, never accused of a crime, when in fact she was.
That juror was charged with grand theft, a felony, back in 1997 in Florida. Defense attorneys also say the juror failed to reveal she had military experience until she spoke exclusively with 7 Eyewitness News after the trial. That was important to the defense, they say, because of the victim's service in the Air National Guard. But documents filed by the prosecution say the juror was simply never asked about her military experience during jury selection, and Sedita says there isn't much that could have been done differently.
That juror was appropriately questioned by the court, by defense counsel, and by the prosecution, and if the court feels otherwise, then it will make a ruling otherwise.
Interestingly enough, there were other jurors on this jury who had both military experience and an arrest record. They were allowed to serve.